hello CQ, hello CQ. This is Victor Uniform 2 Juliet Oscar calling CQ, CQ, CQ into a dummy load and standing by. I am testing out a simple circuit suggested by Lima Bravo 7 Uniform Golf. This is 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. This is in series with two diodes, LEDs. This is a blue LED and these two are connected anti-parallel, that you can see when I reverse the connection. When I reverse the connection to the battery, now the red LED is lit. Earlier it was the blue LED which was lit. Now I have connected the modification suggested by Lima Bravo 7 Uniform Golf to this dummy load. This is the home-row QRP dummy load, and I have connected this LEDs and the 4.7K resistor here, and it goes to the SO239 barrel connector here. This is the PL259 from the antenna output of my FT710 radio. Maybe because it was a makeshift connection rather than true soldering and having high contact resistance, that did not work for 5 watts or 10 watts SSB output from my FT710 radio. Now I have changed the resistor to 1 kilo ohm instead of the 4.7 kilo ohm, and I'll try. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. You can see that both red and blue LEDs were lighting up as I was modulating. I'll show once again. Hello, 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 hello CQ, hello CQ. This is Victor Uniform 2 Juliet Oscar calling CQ, CQ, CQ into a dummy load and standing by.